Good afternoon. I have a iris here that is pink and kind of dark, dark purple, have purple color there in the pole petal, but it's not completely pink, but or peach. You know, the top one is like a peach color, but this one, the beard is orange. So you see the orange beard here. Yeah, that's the beard. It's orange. And this is, you see how rich, I'm gonna move this. You see how rich is the flower in this tall bearded iris. This name is entitled. Entitled. Yeah. For example, you are entitled to a bonus. That's spelling, but with letter D. Entitled. So this is a beautiful iris, and I just smell it. It's fragrant and tall bearded and very rare to find with a peach with combination a little bit tint of purple and dark pink and some veins running on their petals. So this is a tall bearded iris entitled, and one of the collectible iris in for the collector, and belong to those fancy iris also, and that's how beautiful they are. That's the name of it, entitled.